Hi, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to explain the difference between the words high and tall. Now, these words are often confused, but they have different meanings and we use them in different contexts. Let's find out how we use them correctly. Firstly, high is an adjective that describes the distance from the ground or the bottom of something to the top. For example, you can say in this room, the ceiling is really high. That means the distance from the floor to the ceiling is large. You can also say the plane is flying high in the sky. That means the aeroplane is far away from the ground. Now, tall is also an adjective, but it describes the height of a person or an object that has a vertical shape. For example, you can say, that man is very tall. That means his height is above the average for a person. You can also say, that's a really tall building. That means the building has many floors and it is a vertical shape. Sometimes you can use both tall and high to describe the same thing, but with a slightly different perspective. For example, you can say the mountain is high. That means the mountain is far from sea level. You can also say the mountain is tall. That means the mountain has a large vertical distance from its base to its peak. Now let's practice these words. Say these sentences with me. I'm taller than my wife, but I'm not very tall. We live on the 10th floor. Our flat is really high. That mountain's really high. So to summarize then, high describes the distance from the ground or the bottom of something to the top, while tall describes the height of a person or an object that has a vertical shape. And sometimes you can use both these words to describe the same thing, but with a slightly different perspective. If this video was useful for you, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your sentences using the words tall and high. My name's Craig and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.